Hey photographer, Jessica Whitaker here, and in this video I am sharing with you my photography travel essentials. Everything I mentioned will be linked down below in the description box, and if you are looking to have your photography done by me, I've started a new offering called the Personal Brand Experience. It is an all-inclusive branding photo shoot that includes hair, makeup, transportation. Head to my website for all of the information or send me a DM over on Instagram. And of course, I am still always offering couple photography, maternity sessions, family photo shoots, graduation, whatever you need, you can head to my website to book wherever you are at. Number one is something pretty boring. I wish that they made these in cuter colors, but this is from Moment, and these are their tech cases. There's two sizes, the little baby and then the larger one. I've traveled all around the world with these cases, and I love them because I can fit multiple external hard drives, all of my cords, including the big charging block for my MacBook. Also make a smaller version. I would suggest to bookmark and keep an eye on for when anything goes on sale and buy it on sale versus full price. Now, there is this Google Chrome extension. It's called Klarna, and you can download it into Chrome and select the item that you want to be notified about a price change, and then Klarna will email you when there's a price change. I'm gonna switch to a personal item that will help you reduce how much you have to bring on a trip. So I like to pack pretty light, but for my toiletries and my makeup, I love this little hard shell case from the brand Béis. I love this deep compartment. There's 3 slip pockets. This is actually a little travel mirror because I lost the one that comes with the Béis bag, but this typically has a mirror in it, and then I just have some of my Invisalign denture cleaners. And then what's awesome, if you are somebody who wears makeup, there's a detachable divider that can hold all of your brushes, and then on the back is a zip pouch. All my toiletries go in here, and then I have a packing cube, which I'll talk about in a second, with my clothes, and that takes up one full side, and then the other side I'm able to have any other tech extras, maybe my lenses wrapped up or in an accessory pouch, however much room I can really Tetris my lenses in my suitcase. And this bag does not get checked. This is my carry-on bag, and so I'm still able to bring all my personal items while still having room for my photography gear. Let's segue now into how I actually pack my photography gear for flights. Now, it is going to depend on what I am doing when I'm there and the kind of photo shoots that I have. The most extreme would be a hard shell case. I love this one from Manfrotto. It is TSA approved. This case would be perfect if you are a wedding photographer because you're bringing multiple bodies with you, all of your gear, right? Every single thing, for the most part, can fit into this case, and this would be your carry-on versus a suitcase. Second would be a traditional camera backpack. This is from Lowepro. It's one of their Freeline backpacks, and I've had this, I want to say, since 2017. I can fit 2 Nalgene water bottles, which are those really big water bottles, 2 camera bodies, 4 or 5 lenses depending on the size. When it opens up, you can actually fit some soft shell accessory pouches perfectly in here, which I'll talk about in a second. So a traditional camera backpack would definitely be the second tier and probably the most common and what I've used the most. On my most recent trip, I packed this nylon backpack. I packed all my camera equipment in soft shell accessory pouches that I'll talk about next in my carry-on. And then once I arrived to my location, I put everything that I needed for the photo shoots I was doing that day into this little backpack. And I only brought 2 lenses with me, a 50mm and an 85 for the majority of my shoots. For one shoot I was doing in someone's apartment, so I swapped the 85mm for a 24-105 zoom. So I only had my one body and 2 lenses, which fit perfectly into the backpack. And what's awesome about this backpack, which this is just the standard size, it collapses down really, really tiny. So this can go at the very bottom of your suitcase. Your packing cubes go on top. You don't have to carry an additional personal item with you on the plane. Let's talk now about the soft shell accessory pouches. These are all from Lowepro, and I freaking love these things. They come in a variety of shapes and sizes for different needs and for different equipment. These can slide perfectly into the backpack. They're the exact length. These are soft shell, but there's a lot of padding, so you can easily put your photography gear if you are doing something like 2 or 3 lenses for portrait photography. These are perfect for putting your gear in and then putting it into the suitcase to be nice and secure. I'm going to end on another personal packing note, and that would be with packing cubes. I thought that packing cubes were just a scam until a trip to the UK where I had bought quite a few different clothing items, and my friend had a few extra packing cubes of her own and she lent them to me, and oh my gosh, I was able to get all the bulky sweaters that I had purchased into my suitcase, and now I do not pack without packing cubes. So I love the CalPack ones, but you do not need to get this brand. You can get them cheaper on Amazon, or even if you go to TJ Maxx or Ross, they will definitely have packing cubes. I just like the CalPack ones. I have 2 different sets, and what I love about these is that they have a variety of different sizes, but they also have this neoprene pouch which you can put some of your dirty clothes in, and it's not actually going to stink it up. Whatever it's lined in, it does not hold any smell. When I pack for traveling, I try to be really conscientious of what my outfit is going to be that I'm shooting in. So I'll do a pair of pants and then all other things that I'll wear, my pajamas, everything will just go in this little packing cube, and then once it's in the suitcase, it all squishes down. So I'm able to do my pants laid down, put this on top, and then the packing cube full of stuff on top, squish everything down, and I even have room for a hoodie or a coat on top. Wait, I have one more thing. It was hidden underneath everything just piled on the floor around. This is an amazing pop-up reflector. Now this is a smaller size, and I actually am planning on doing a video all about using reflectors. I have this small size and a really, really big one, but I love this thing because I have a gold metallic side, a silver metallic side, a white. This size in particular can fit into the laptop compartment of a camera bag. So for my low pro bag, it's able to fit, look at this, in the laptop compartment. If you're watching this video and you want to start traveling for photo shoots, I have a tutorial all about how to get started that I will have linked up on the iCard here as well as down below. And if you are looking to book me for your photo shoot, whether it's family, maternity, engagement, or you're wanting more information about the personal branding experience, head to my website right here. It'll also be linked down below for all of the information. If you're a photographer who's looking to join a kind, encouraging, and inclusive photography community, check out my free Facebook group called Build and Bloom. This is the best place to ask questions about your specific photography business. So whether you need help drafting a response to a difficult client situation, or you want an extra set of eyes on a gallery you're about to send out to a client, Build and Bloom is my best free resource. And I've also launched season 2 of the Build and Bloom photography podcast, available for you to listen and learn wherever you get podcasts. I believe in you and I believe in your business. Be sure to hit subscribe to be the first to know when new free videos for your business come out, and I will see you in my next video. Click right here to watch and to learn. I'll see you there.